In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review access to a sheet in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to confirm who can view or edit a specific sheet, so you can stay confident about who's in and who's not. Start by opening the sheet you want to check. Make sure you're looking at the sheet itself, not a report or a dashboard, so the sharing controls match what we expect. At the top right of the screen, look for the Share button. Depending on your layout, it may say Share or show an icon with a person and a plus sign. This button is your gateway to all things access related for the sheet you're on. Go ahead and click the Share button. From there, choose the option for the sheet. This ensures you're focusing on access for this specific item rather than a broader workspace or anything else. When you click it, a compact sharing window or panel opens. Don't worry if it looks small. It contains everything you need for a quick review. Inside this window, look for the section labeled Manage Access. This is where Smartsheet lists everyone who currently has permission to the sheet, along with their permission level. You'll typically see labels like Viewer, Editor, or Admin next to each name. If you only see yourself listed and your role is Admin, that means you're the sole person with access and you have full control over the sheet. Take a moment to scan what's shown. The Manage Access area is intentionally straightforward so you can confirm at a glance whether access is limited or broad. If the list is short, your sheet is tightly controlled. If you see more entries, that simply means multiple collaborators can view or work on the sheet. This step is purely about reviewing. We're not making any changes here, just verifying who's in the loop. A quick tip: permission levels matter. Admins can manage settings and structure, editors can modify content, and viewers can only see the data. Understanding these labels helps you interpret what you find without needing to drill deeper. If something looks off, make a mental note so you can follow up later. When you're done reviewing, you can close the sharing window. That's it. You've successfully confirmed the current access for your sheet using the Share button and the Manage Access section. Keeping an eye on this from time to time helps maintain data security and ensures the right people have the right level of visibility. Thanks for watching, and remember, a quick access check can save you a lot of confusion down the line.